What is going on, guys? This is Jamie. I want to do a quick unboxing of the Tucker Sidekick. Let's open it up. Of course, this is just fantastic packaging from Tucker. They always take care of their new equipment when sending it out. I'm gonna throw that over here. So let's talk about the Sidekick. The Sidekick is Tucker's trad pole. All right, guys, it's got a 12-foot reach standing out in front of you when fully extended. It does, as you can see, include the wood cone and the Acme tip that you can take apart. And this allows you to slide your trad equipment over it, your strip washer or your squeegee, so you can use it inside. This is about 37 inches closed, okay? Very compact, very easy to take along with you inside of houses, inside of commercial spaces. And then when it's fully extended, mind you, these blue marks to know when to stop. When it is fully extended, you are looking at about 82 inches, all right? So you can kind of see here, 82 inches. The clamps, per usual, Tucker has awesome, super high end clamps. And guys, this thing is super, super light. It weighs just over a pound, and it is just, I love this. I love this for inside. We use this all the time. It does come with 3 fiberglass sections of poles on it that you can also break down if needed, but we usually keep ours intact. So let's go clean some windows with it.